What's going on, guys? It's your boy RaceCarRichie. So, quick update. Tomorrow I'm going to be in New Jersey at Atco at an event that Chris Miller is holding at the Atco Raceway, which is this. And this is just a quick video update of where I'll be tomorrow, being whatever that date is, Saturday, November 13th. We're going to be there at like 8 a.m. So I have to leave tonight. Well, I need to leave early in the morning to go meet Brian at his house. He's going to be the one competing in the event. So come say hi to us. We'll be walking around, hanging out. I'm going to videotape the whole event, or as much as I can, talk to some guys. And I'll make a video tomorrow night, being Saturday night, and post it up on Sunday. Yeah, so no updates. Well, a little update on the car. I took the transfer case out. Me and Brian, we took the transfer case out. I took it apart, and I sent it out to get a 300M upgrade to it, which is just a bigger internal assembly and all that good stuff. So once I get that back, I'm gonna make a video of putting it back together. Then I have to get a drive shaft made. Once the drive shaft and transfer case is in the car, then we're gonna go for a tuning session to make some go-go power, and then from there we're going to maybe bring it to the track and see what it can do. I just want to dial in a couple things with it, but yeah, guys, so enjoy this video, but enjoy the next video. But come see me and Brian tomorrow in Atco in New Jersey at 8 a.m. He's gonna be competing, so Evos, DSMs, all the good stuff. Stay tuned.